Do you know the rules of the road? A small mistake while driving can lead to serious consequences. Hello, I'm your driving instructor. Join me today to practice driving safely and avoiding fines. In this lesson, we'll focus on navigating roundabouts. This may seem simple, but is actually a very important skill for both beginners and experienced drivers. Let's dive into the task. Your goal is to identify which car is not following the roundabout rules. You have three options: car number 1, green; car number 2, yellow; or car number 3, red. Pause the video now, take a moment to think, and leave your answer in the comments below. I hope you've decided, because now we'll break down the situation and explain the correct answer. In the scenario, we see the green car approaching the roundabout. The yellow and red cars are already on the roundabout and moving in their respective directions. Let's analyze each car. First, the green car. It approaches the roundabout and comes to a complete stop, following the yield sign correctly. The yield sign means to slow down, be prepared to stop, and give right-of-way to other vehicles or pedestrians in the intersection. The green car is driving responsibly. Next, the yellow car is already in the roundabout and is preparing to exit at the second exit. It's in the correct lane and not obstructing anyone. Now the red car. The red car is in the inside lane but wants to exit. According to the rules, it should be in the outer lane for the exit. By staying in the inside lane, it creates a dangerous situation. The driver signals but is violating the rules by not positioning the car properly to exit. So the red car is the one not following the rules. If you chose answer number 3, red car, congratulations. You are correct. Thanks for joining today's lesson. I hope this example helps you understand roundabout safety. Remember to follow the rules and drive safely. Subscribe to my channel so the police never stop you with a fine. Stay safe on the road.